Welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of the automotive industry, where we bring you the latest updates, detailed reviews, and expert insights on the newest cars and motorcycles hitting the roads. If you're passionate about performance, design, and cutting-edge technology in the world of vehicles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha R15, a bike that continues to evolve while staying true to its legacy of being one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes. Yamaha has once again pushed the boundaries with the new R15, delivering a sleek, aggressive design inspired by its bigger siblings from the R series lineup. The 2025 R15 looks sharper than ever with aerodynamic fairings, updated graphics, and a more pronounced front fascia that enhances its sporty character. The LED headlamps and tail lamps have been redesigned for better visibility and a more modern appearance, making the bike stand out even more on the road. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, the 2025 Yamaha R15 is powered by a 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine equipped with variable valve actuation technology. This engine produces around 18.4 horsepower and 14.2 nanometers of torque, making it not just fun to ride in the city but also capable of highway cruising. The 6-speed gearbox combined with an assist and slipper clutch ensures smooth gear shifts and better control, especially during aggressive downshifting. The engine's refinement and responsiveness are notable, offering a perfect blend of efficiency and excitement for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. In terms of features, Yamaha has equipped the R15 with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that now includes Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can connect their smartphones for call alerts, SMS notifications, and ride stats via the Yamaha Y-Connect app. The bike also comes with dual-channel ABS for added safety, and the front suspension is now equipped with USD forks, providing improved handling and front-end stability. The rear suspension remains a linked monoshock, which offers a good balance between comfort and performance. The riding posture on the R15 continues to be sporty, with rear-set footpegs and low clip-on handlebars, giving riders a more aggressive feel. It's a bike that not only looks fast but feels fast on the road, thanks to its lightweight frame and aerodynamic build. With the Delta box frame at its core, the R15 maintains superb handling characteristics through corners and at higher speeds. Yamaha has made sure the 2025 model stays ahead in its segment by blending performance, style, and tech. Whether you're a college student looking for a stylish commuter or a track day beginner, the R15 offers everything in a compact and affordable package. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to keep up with the latest motorcycle and car updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you expert reviews, first looks, and deep dives into the world of the automotive industry. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best content. Thanks for watching and ride safe.